Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix common on-fold app issues like export, login, and loading problems. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the Android user can follow the steps. Let's get started. If on-fold is stuck on the loading screen or won't open, close the app completely, swipe up and remove on-fold from the recent app. Check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also restart your phone. This fixes most temporary glitches. Check for the update. Open the App Store or Play Store, search for the on-fold and tap update if available. If you can't log in or your account won't load, make sure you are using the same login method. Check the date and time setting. Log out and log in back. If possible, sign out and re-enter your account. Reinstallation also fix some glitches. If your story or reels won't export, check the storage space, allow the photo permissions, reduce animation or media. Try saving first then sharing. If Unfold keep crashing, update your phone software, update the Unfold app, try to restart your device, try to reinstall Unfold if needed. These steps usually fix 90% of problems. That's it. You have now learned how to fix common Unfold app issues like loading, logging, and export problem. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.